What is up, guys? How you doing? So the last couple of days I've missed a little bit of filming just because literally all I've been doing is moving. Like, it looked like we moved a lot the other day, but that was probably half it. I have done 30 more runs back and forth from the old shop to the new shop, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I've been going nuts. I'm exhausted. I'm so over it, and I know you guys are too, so I didn't want to film a lot of it. But basically, what's in the back of my truck right now is the last load of stuff that I actually have in the old shop, going to the new shop, so we're officially finished. Now starts the process of moving the guys next door into my old bay, because you know they're taking it over, and then Derek is actually moving from his smaller unit into the guys next door unit because it's bigger. We almost got most of the guys' stuff next door inside, so they're filling it up pretty nicely. They did a good job cleaning it up. It looks really good in here. I think they're gonna have an amazing time. In here is gonna be Drew, Jip, and Izzo, so it's gonna be them three, and of course next door is Derek and his three buddies. So we're in the process of clearing that out right now and getting him ready to move all his stuff. So over this. Let's check it out. You excited?
I'm excited.
How you feeling?
Zoom in on the sweat.
You've been going hard.
Beating. We all been going hard, baby.
Yeah, you pick up the slack for Jip and Izzo though, for sure.
Izzo's been helping. Jip, Ryan, Don, big lacking.
It's been what? Almost 2 years.
I know.
Two years.
An end of an era.
Yesterday was 2 years.
It was.
Yeah.
According to Time Hop.
Yeah.
Isn't that cute? Get back to work.
Fucking asshole.
Derek, think fast.
The chef! Woo, that was close.
The end of an era is good. We're all moving up in the world.
We're all moving up. Big changes for everybody. I got some more room. I'm still not your neighbor, but whatever.
You'll probably be in my bay more than you'll be in yours, though.
Yeah, probably.
So.
Who's your new neighbor?
Truth is my new neighbor.
Let's go!
It'll be kind of cool, I guess.
Not even stoked.
A little bit so.
Looks good in here.
Let's go under the lighting. She does look pretty cherry. Can't wait. Almost there.
She's almost ready. She basically just needs a tune and a shakedown.
That's literally it. And to our fans.
Yeah.
Very, very close.
What's up, water boy?
What's up?
How you feeling about this?
Good. I just want to be here as much as I can.
Where are you gonna put your car?
Going day.
And 30 minutes later, just like that, bay's empty.
Bay's empty, brother. We in here.
This is crazy looking. I saw this site 2 years ago from today. It's a crazy thought.
It is cool.
It's weird. And you're here with me, which is sick. I think we're all excited to see how you guys transform your bay. That's gonna be pretty cool.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
And yeah, so sheesh. I can't wait until I can actually just start putting my stuff everywhere and organizing it, because right now it looks like a kamikaze of car parts just laying in the middle of my unit. So.
Your life is a mess.
Yeah, it is.
See, my life is actually still pretty together. All nicely tucked over there.
Well, there's Derek's current bay.
Here we are, sir. Keys to the new crib. Should I do it? What do you guys think? Too slow.
I don't want it anymore.
On to bigger and better for all of us. This is a team move, baby.
It was a team move.
Everybody upgraded. Jimmy got a bigger shop. We got more space. You got more space. Everybody's happy. Still all kind of neighbors in the same neighborhood.
Everything's out of Derek's unit, which is great. So now we basically have to just watch them organize all their stuff and figure out where they're gonna put it. We'll see how that ends up. You guys are three are probably gonna butt heads pretty good.
No.
But let's head down to the new shop, check it out. They've actually been painting the walls the last 2 days, which is sick. And I'm excited for you guys to see it. And they got rid of the boat finally and that stupid truck, so. Hey man, what's up?
Welcome to my shop.
Oh man.
I'm just kidding.
How's it look?
It looks, oh, I didn't really look, but it looks good.
Oh.
It's much brighter in here, which is a positive thing.
Look at the walls, they look so good.
Very clean.
Oh, the front's painted fully too.
Oh yeah, that looks a lot
Dude, it
better.
looks sick. The back is fully painted now too. Yeah, this is all fresh paint right here. Dude, this is amazing.
It's like your whole other shop right here.
Yeah, it's like this corner right here. It's crazy. It looks so good. It looks all fresh again. Cleaning up all the drywall. They start cleaning in here yet? No.
Nope, not yet.
Oh, they ripped the shower apart.
Just a curtain. New curtains coming. All right, word. You see this? We're gonna have to get a new bathroom. Sheesh. What the heck?
Oh, dude, they started tearing up the old floor, which is sick.
Oh, no, they did the whole thing. That's
Yeah?
really nice.
Oh, yeah, it's fully torn up.
Yeah.
Nice. There was all of this stuff here. So that's all gone. All the old tile. Dude, I like the front painted. That looks so good.
I know, with the black.
Oh, they fully redid the whole thing. This was all exposed. This looks good. All the new sheetrock, everything. Dude, that looks so good. No more exposed wires. There was so many wires. Where'd they all go? Do you remember how many wires were like thrown up here? Oh, they re-sheetrocked up there too. That wasn't there before. I'm so pumped because like to have a property manager that actually cares, it's a good feeling.
It's kind of rare around here, to be honest. I don't know if it is where you guys are, but landlords usually
Tell you to go screw yourself.
Yeah, they don't care.
Walls are almost fully painted. It looks like they're gonna have to put like this whole area they're gonna redo with more paint. And then besides that, we just gotta do more cleaning. I really want to clean the walls. I don't know if they're gonna paint the insulation there. They put exhaust fan in, which is cool. We just gotta paint the floor, or we just gotta wash the floors now.
Yeah.
And I think this place will look beautiful. Oh, and more importantly, they're actually gonna be replacing all of the lights and putting more in. So see how bright it is now? It's probably gonna be twice as bright, which is really good because you guys know working in a dark garage is not fun. So that's gonna be the big pain in the ass. I'm gonna have to move literally everything back out or over or what, because they'll be replacing every single one of these fixtures.
Yeah, all of this stuff is gonna have to get moved, which sucks.
We're still figuring everything out as we go, guys, because as you know, this was planned, but it wasn't planned entirely, this whole move setup. So we got a lot of ideas in the works. We've been doing a lot of behind the scenes stuff, and hopefully this comes together pretty quickly. I'm still in awe of this whole situation. It's pretty crazy. Look how crazy this looks right now. I'm so excited. Let's get a better angle of this. Is this thing turned on? Nice.
Take us for a tour.
We're just gonna go up. Only up from here, boys. Wow, this thing goes pretty freaking high. Oh, stop shaking it. Stop shaking it.
What, are you nervous?
Stop it. What's the matter?
Man, you look really nervous.
I'm not good with heights, all right, man?
All right, I'll shake it from all the way over here. You guys write in the comments below if you think I should keep shaking it.
Stop shaking it.
Okay, I won't. Man, this looks sick from up here.
This looks cool from up here.
It does.
Damn, dude. I can't wait to throw this thing up. Now, dude, I cannot wait to power wash these floors. I'm dying. Yeah, I don't even need to paint them, dude. Look how nice. They're clean. They're really nice floors.
Smooth concrete.
You guys understand how much it costs to paint these floors? I don't even care if you're like, no.
You're a bug.
Oh, stop shaking. I don't care if you're like, no, you can do it for cheap. Like, no, there's no cheap way of doing it. If you do it cheap, that means it's not gonna last, and it's not even worth doing. If we were to do the floors, it'd probably be at least $2,000.
Yeah, square footage, people.
Yeah, that's a lot of it. All right, we're going now. What is this? You found some graffiti, guys. Cockroach.
Why is this here?
Smoke attack. What does this say? Smoke crack.
Smoke crack.
This says smoke crack. Brian.
No, I'm not gonna listen to it. I wonder how old this is, and why is it here?
This thing's I like this thing.
Look at the 9-inch nails.
No way.
It's like a 15-year-old put that there.
That's so funny. I like this. I think that's pretty cool. Stop it.
Dude, it's not me. It's the.
Oh, it's.
Hey. Get out of here before I hawk a loogie on your balding head.
All right, so we haven't done too much in today's video besides just kind of like, show you the update. Like I said, it's bear with us because it's literally just been us moving for literally 12 hours a day. It's been like the longest week of my life, but we're almost there. So we're in here. It looks great. There's way more progress to be made, and it's going to be happening all week. It's going to be a really awesome week. By the weekend, this place should be almost ready to finally actually start moving stuff into the position that we want it. It's going to be beautiful.
It is going to be a gorgeous thing.
So we have quite a bit of submail saved up for like the last month, because as you guys know, we've been running around like crazy. Haven't had the time to open any of it, and I figured we should make a little dent in it. Why not? It'd be fun. We got some free time, and I know you guys who have sent this mail are probably wondering where the hell all your stuff is, and it's right here in this pile right in the middle of the shop.
I want to know what's in it.
Yeah. Let's do a couple. Yeah, we're gonna do those? Cool. Let's find a razor somewhere in here. Oh, nice work. First set of submail in the new shop.
This says what it is in the package right here.
Well, don't spoil it.
I won't. It comes from Australia though. That's pretty cool.
That is really cool. What do we got? A pair of socks?
It says it's a shift boot.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. I want this one.
Couple of booters, man.
Oh, this is sick.
There's a scrunchie in here. You could use it as a hair product. That one is dope though.
This is going right in the S13.
I was gonna say that one should go in the S13. All right, dear Jimmy O. So I recently started making and selling shift boots on Etsy, and I've been thinking they'd be sick in one of your cars or anyone who wants it. They're universal, so should fit in any car. If it's too big, just pull it down around the retainer and trim off the excess. For real though, I love your videos so much. Learn a heap from them and enjoy every minute. If you or anyone of the crew wants another boot, just hit me up and I can send others out.
No way.
Love from Australia. Instagram is Midnight Marauders with 2 underscores.
See, that's cool. This dude's just trying to, you know, make a hustle out here, making cool stuff.
Honestly, it's a smart move though. If you guys do something, you guys sell something, you guys make something, not a bad idea to send it to us and show it off.
Right?
You
We're
know?
all about trying to push the young guns, dude. This is cool. Props to this dude. This looks like a really nice product.
Yeah, I like it. I like how he came up with a universal solution. It's small enough that I could fit on the smallest of shifters, and stretchy enough that I could fit on the big
stretchy.
ones.
So this part stretch right here, it's got a nice little shinkter, and I've never seen a shift boot with that. That's really, really smart.
Is that weird?
Let's see what's going on. That was so. All right, here we go. What do we got here? Ooh, hey, this is a good little. Oh.
Actually, this tool right here is sick. I've seen these and I've always kind of wanted one.
No, wait. So we got socket trays, and then we got like plier organizers.
Yeah, these ones.
I've never seen that before in my
They're
life.
really cool. Look at the picture on the back.
Show them a picture.
That's how you do it. You just lay it in your box right there.
Dude, that's the smartest thing I've ever seen. I've never seen that before.
And
in my
is
life.
this a wrench rack? Yes.
Hell yeah. Gotta love those racks.
Awesome. Amazon, what do? They just throw a ton of this stuff?
Hey Jimmy, your tool chest is a mess and you need to sort it out. Can't wait to see the vlog at the ring. I'm driving over in August with a group of mates. I'm taking my car, should be sick. From England, Lewis Leyland, Instagram Lewis99. Well, this one was clearly sent quite a bit ago, but thank you. This is amazing. I mean, anything, tools, organization, any shop supplies are insanely appreciated. This is a huge help. I'm really excited. Now that I'm in like my own shop, I could really justify splurging on tools because I know they're gonna stay in this building. So I'm really excited to redo all of this, and this is a really good start. So Lewis.
Heck yeah, thank you, Lewis.
Thank you, man. That's really cool. And I've never seen that before. It's sick.
Those are really cool. I like those a lot.
I'm just gonna sit.
I got the slot squat going.
I can't do that. Ooh, a flag. Here we go. What do we got? Oh, this is a long note. Hey Jimmy and the gang, greetings from Canada. Okay, I've been watching your vids for a couple years now. Keep up the cool vids and builds. Open the flag on camera, and I want you guys to try and say my last name. It's not that hard, but most people butcher it.
All right, give it
I'm the worst person for
Let me
this.
see this thing.
Should I attempt it first? All
Yeah,
right.
no, definitely want to
First name, Jason. Oh, first off, this was sent on May 18th. I'm so sorry, guys. We'll get better at this. Jason, I got that one right.
Yeah, that was pretty good. Is it French?
First off, it's all in capital.
What is it?
Is it an L or an I? I'm gonna say it's an L because that's easier to pronounce. I'm not even gonna try.
Let me see.
You try it.
Yeah, it's an I. It's Geisbreck.
That was good.
I think is that like Irish,
My mouth can't
Scottish?
do that.
So one of them issues. Jason, let me know if I'm close. And to your son, Jack. Hello, Jack. That's very cool. Apparently, Jack, 'cause I don't know. Jack, 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 Don't shit your pants. Your father thinks you're gonna shit your pants. It's about to be your 13th birthday. That's awesome. Also, Jason has a YouTube channel called J Bomb Studios. Go check it out. You're gonna see the flag. Is it a Canadian flag? What is it? Oh, that was a really good catch.
Come on, I need help.
It is.
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, Canada. I don't know the rest of the words. They sing that at hockey games, though.
I need a big flag with an oak leaf on it.
An oak leaf. Yo, it's kind of a genius idea.
Let's see what we got. Yep, use the teeth. There you go.
It's a flag.
Oh.
It's a no.
We got. Hiya, Jimmy boy. I sent this after seeing RJ butcher the Irish accent. I've been watching your vids for years now. Love your channel. Please have RJ ruin this Welsh accent. Hope you enjoy the best country flag from Gavin.
Yo, this country does have they got a freaking dragon.
Oh my god, that thing's sick.
What were we coming up with stars and stripes? We could have had a dragon this whole time.
So cool.
Damn.
I'm into it. That one's going in a good spot.
They got knights and stuff over there, right?
I think
you guys are still fighting the Crusades or what?
Still
What's
slaying dragons. Hell yeah.
Oh, you've been practicing.
Oh, hell
Something
yeah.
Sick.
Hell yeah.
I see some D. Walt.
Damn. This is good timing on this. What do we got here?
Let me get to know.
Oh, B, you're gonna like this one. Oh, check it out, guys.
That is nice.
All right, first off, this is sick. Perfect timing because this would get destroyed at the other shop. Right now, I can keep this together. And then we got some auto trim removal kit, which is really cool because I'm really bad. I use a screwdriver and I break everything.
Yeah, plastic tools are great for interior trim pieces. So
it's a whole kit.
Yeah, I have the same kit, but most of them are destroyed by now because eventually.
No way.
Yeah, no, it's really cool. This is how you know that somebody sent this a while ago. It says, "Hi Jimmy, keep up the great work and LS swap the FD." Well, Carson, LS swapping the FD was never an option, but it's definitely not now.
But Carson, thank you so much for the tools. We always appreciate it.
Yeah, very smart on the plastic trim.
Yeah, it's really
Kit.
cool. You guys are sick. We still have a bunch to go. Obviously, guys, if you want to be a part of it too, links always in the description. Same P.O. box, still right down the road from us. So send some stuff, send some cool stuff. We're in a new shop, so we got a lot more room for some wacky stuff. So once again, I cannot thank you guys enough. You are the greatest subscribers ever. Sending us all this cool stuff, all this helpful stuff, and it means a lot to us. It's fun, it's great, and we really appreciate it.
It really does. I mean, the amount of support you guys have shown us for this place, it's huge motivation, and we can't I can't say that enough. That your support means a lot to us. We read the comments, we see it every day, and it does really mean a lot.
Tomorrow's another day. Luckily, we don't have to move much more stuff, which I am so thankful for. It has been the longest week of my life. So, I don't know. What else do you have to say, B?
I have to say that we have this amazing place to party in. Just kidding. There won't be much party, but it'll feel like a party. That's how much fun we'll be having.
So, yeah, we're going to be grinding some more throughout the week, and hopefully by the end of the week, like I said, we'll be moved in. Alright guys, so you guys already heard it all from me today, so we're just going to end it for now, go home and try again tomorrow. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and
we will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.